Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply HDR effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and then you can choose a video you want to edit or a video you want to apply HDR effect to. And for instance guys, I'm going to choose video from my download album. Okay, and I'm going to apply HDR effect to this video, this one, and maybe this video as well. So I'm gonna click on this check mark to add the videos to my project. And wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. Alright, and I'm going to apply the video to I'm going to apply the effect to this video. If we want to apply HDR effect, we can go to the effect menu and then select the effect. Okay, and then you need to find stylize category. As you can see here, we have a lot of categories, and you can scroll all the way to the right around here until you find stylize. Okay, and select HDR. And then you can customize the value. You can go right or go left to change the value. And I'm just going to make it full like this. And this is the result. And then don't forget to make the effect align with your video. You can drag it like this. And I'm going to show you guys before and after. Wait, I think I need to make it smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to show you before and after. This is after I apply the HDR effect, and this is before I apply HDR effect, and you can see the difference, right? Okay, and then I'm just going to make it align with my video. You can click here and then select clip end or video end, and I'm going to apply it to this video as well. So I'm just going to click on video end. So this effect will be applied to all my videos I have imported to the project. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add HDR effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.